was the first thing I felt? Fear. It made death so close to your face. Anybody can die at any goddamn time. Angry. I was angry at her, not at God, to be very honest. Yeah, it felt like I didn't have anybody else in the world, but that was my one and only sister. There was sorrow, feeling like I was alone in this world. You know how like everybody has their person, and she was my person. For a long time, I didn't feel like praying. I didn't have the strength to pray. I didn't go to church for a while. I don't know for how long, I don't remember for how long, but I went to church when I felt strong enough. Grief was not just a thing of your heart and mind. You feel it physically. It's like physical pain, that something is weighing on you. So I know that God is good, and whether or not someone was taken away, it doesn't change the fact that God is good. He can't just want to make me sad